I know how frustrating it can be when your Harley struggles to start, especially after a long day of cruising. I bought and tested 5 of the best batteries for high compression Harleys so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Let's dive into some real experiences and help you make the right choice. Product number 1. Mighty Max Battery YTX 4L-BS. When I first got my hands on the Mighty Max Battery YTX 4L-BS, I was skeptical. I mean, just 3 AH? But after a few rides, I was pleasantly surprised. This battery packs a punch with its 50 cold cranking amps, CCA. I remember one chilly morning when I was worried my bike wouldn't start, but this little powerhouse fired up without a hitch. The fact that it's sealed and spill-proof gave me peace of mind as I navigated through rough terrains on my Harley. Its dimensions are compact too, making it easy to fit in tight spaces. Pros: it's lightweight at just 3 pounds, and being maintenance-free means I can focus on riding rather than battery upkeep. Plus, the long-lasting performance in both high and low temperatures is a game-changer for riders in varying climates. Cons: however, it's designed primarily for smaller vehicles like scooters, so if you have a high-compression Harley, it might not provide the oomph you need in extreme conditions. Also, it comes with no mounting accessories, which means you might need to buy those separately. Why buy it? If you ride a lighter bike or need a backup battery, the Mighty Max is reliable and affordable. It's the perfect option for those who prioritize ease of use and compactness without sacrificing performance. Product number 2. Yuasa UAM720GH GYZ20HL. A behemoth in the battery world. Weighing in at 15.7 pounds, this battery isn't messing around. When I installed it in my Harley, I immediately noticed the difference. With a staggering 500 CCA, it powered through every startup with authority. I had my doubts about the taller plates, but they definitely made a difference in surface area and power. Pros: the AGM technology is fantastic. No spills and no need to refill. Plus, its vibration resistance is something I truly value, especially when hitting those bumpy roads. It's factory activated, so you can install it straight out of the box, which is a huge time saver. On the downside, it's heavier than some alternatives, which might be a consideration if you're looking to keep your bike as light as possible. Also, it's designed for UTVs and other vehicles, so while it works great for my Harley, make sure it's the right fit for yours. Why buy it? If you want a battery that offers dependability and longevity, the Yuasa GYZ20HL is your best bet. It's ideal for those who ride hard and need that extra kick to power through. Product number 3. Power Source Lightning Start Battery. The Power Source Lightning Start Battery came highly recommended, so I had to see if it lived up to the hype. This battery is specifically designed for Harley models from 1991 to 2014, which gave me a sense of security knowing it was OEM compatible. When I installed it, I was blown away by the ultra-high performance starting power. It's rated at 500 CCA. The pros are the maintenance-free aspect is a game changer. I didn't have to worry about acid spills or refilling water. The included terminal hardware made installation a breeze, and the flush mount design kept my bike looking sleek. The cons: while it worked flawlessly for my Harley, it does come with a weight of 15 pounds, which could be cumbersome for some. Additionally, the price point might be higher than some budget options, so it's essential to weigh the benefits against your budget. Why buy it? If you own a Harley and want a battery that guarantees reliability and performance, the Power Source Lightning Start Battery is worth the investment. It's a solid choice that won't let you down when it matters most. Product number 4. Yuasa YAM732HL Battery. The Yuasa YAM732HL is a versatile battery that caught my attention for its compatibility with various vehicles, including motorcycles and ATVs. Weighing 15.7 pounds, it initially felt a bit heavy, but once installed, it proved its worth. The 12V system provided consistent power, and I could feel the difference during those long rides. Pros: the fit type is vehicle-specific, ensuring it's tailored for optimal performance. The lead calcium composition is designed for longevity, so I felt confident that I wouldn't be replacing it anytime soon. However, its larger size may not fit in every bike's battery compartment, so it's crucial to check compatibility before purchase. Also, the weight could be a concern for those looking to keep their bike as light as possible. Why buy it? If you need a reliable battery that can handle various riding conditions, the Yuasa YAM732HL is a solid choice. Its dependability and long-lasting power make it a worthy investment for serious riders. Product number 5, PowerSource High Performance Sealed AGM Battery. I wanted to review the PowerSource High Performance Sealed AGM Battery, specifically designed for the FXDF Dyna Fat Bob. Right off the bat, it felt robust and solid. With 20 AH, this battery is a powerhouse. I remember taking my bike on a weekend trip and it started flawlessly every time, even after long stops. Pros: the maintenance-free feature means no acid leaks, and I loved the hassle-free installation with the included hardware. The performance was impressive, providing the kind of power you want when you're ready to hit the road. Cons: similar to the other options, it weighs in at 15 pounds, which could be heavy for some. Moreover, it's specifically designed for certain Harley models, so you'll need to ensure it fits your bike. Why buy it? If you're looking for a battery that combines power and reliability, the PowerSource High Performance Sealed AGM battery is the way to go. It's built for performance, ensuring you can hit the road without worrying about your battery. In conclusion, whether you're looking for lightweight options or high performance, there's a battery on this list that fits your needs. I hope my experiences help you make an informed decision and keep your Harley roaring. Ride safe and enjoy the open road.